Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 21st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar made a big push down today, right after we went up big time from the interest rate news yesterday. I actually do think this is an ABC correction. I do think this move down most likely is a trend. I think this is likely to be a wave C. I bet this is a 1. I bet this is a 2. And I think this is actually more likely, especially looking at the US dollar index, to go down now for a wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, I'm definitely going down to the 1 hour time frame and even a little bit lower. And what I'm doing is I'm actually waiting for a break of structure to the upside, not to go long, but that's going to tell me that if I can see an ABC correction at the end of that break of structure, then I'll look for a three-way pattern to the upside. I'll look for a Fibonacci bounce. I'll look for a break of structure to the downside, and that's going to be my next sorting opportunity, probably like a subdivision 1, subdivision 2, and subdivision of wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. So as always, thanks and happy trading.